Big setback to West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and her government. The Supreme Court has struck down appointments of nearly 25,000 teachers who were recruited in government schools of the state. Massive setback indeed. The Supreme Court has scrapped the appointment of precisely 25,753 teachers and non-teaching staff in the state-run and government-aided schools of West Bengal, which upheld the Kolkata High Court's earlier verdict, saying the same. The top court minced no words, calling out large-scale manipulation in the recruitment process. With this order now, thousands will have to face job loss. But the court offered partial relief to those teachers. Those affected won't have to return their salaries that they've earned so far. The court has also asked the Bengal government to hold fresh recruitments within 3 months' time, allowing certain relaxations for those candidates who weren't involved in any irregularities. But this landmark judgment has left Bengal's politics on the edge. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has expressed open defiance, refusing to accept this ruling, says she won't take this personally.
এইটাই তো আমরা বলছি যে একজন দোষীর জন্য তুমি সবাইকে কি করে এক জায়গায় যুক্ত করলে, এবং দুই হচ্ছে আগের চিফ জাস্টিস এটাকে স্টে করে দিয়েছিলেন সুপ্রিম কোর্টেরই। দ্য দেন চিফ জাস্টিস মিস্টার চন্দ্রচূড়জি স্টেড দ্য হাইকোর্ট ভার্ডিক্ট। তো আর একজন সুপ্রিম কোর্টের সিজে কি তার কাছ থেকে আমরা এইটুকু মানবিকতা আশা করতে পারি না যে একটা সুযোগ দেওয়া, আত্মরক্ষার সুযোগ দেওয়া?